Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Maserati GT. Let's go. Loosen the lug bolt on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence using a cross spanner, but do not remove them completely. Placing jack stands to support each end of the car would be a better safety measure. Remove lug bolt on the front wheel side using a cross spanner. Install a wheel hanger. Slide the wheel off the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Match the holes in the wheel spacer to the bolt holes in the car. Then install and tighten the matching wheel bolt. Install the front ring and then install the stock bolt. Use a cross spanner to tighten them on the wheel spacers. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque spanner to tighten the lug bolt to the specified torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug bolt works. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. Bonus recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.